In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in PowerPoint. Whether you're a night owl who loves working after hours, or simply someone who prefers the sleek look of dark mode, this guide is for you. Not only is dark mode easier on the eyes, especially in lower light conditions, but it also gives PowerPoint a modern and stylish appearance. So, let's dive in and transform your PowerPoint experience. First things first, let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem straightforward, but ensure that you're opening the version of PowerPoint where you want the changes to be applied, especially if you have multiple versions of Microsoft Office installed on your device. Once PowerPoint is up and running, your next step is to locate the Account option. This can usually be found at the bottom of the list on the left-hand side of the initial PowerPoint screen that appears when you first open the software. If you're already working within a presentation, you might need to save your work and go to the File menu, and from there navigate to Account. The Account section is where you can personalize your Microsoft Office experience. So it's the gateway to getting that much coveted dark mode activated. Now that you've clicked on Account, it's time to find the Office theme setting. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this could appear slightly differently, but generally it's prominently displayed within the Account page, often under a heading that might include words like Office background or theme. This is where Microsoft allows you to customize the overall look of your Office suite. So if you've ever wanted to change more than just PowerPoint's appearance, you're in the right place. The next step is where the magic happens. You'll see a drop-down menu under Office Theme. Click on this, and you'll see several options for theming your Office experience. To enable dark mode, you'll want to select black from this list. The moment you click black, PowerPoint will transform, adopting a dark, sleek background across all menus and interfaces. It's an instant change that does not require restarting PowerPoint or doing anything further. Your eyes will thank you as you notice the reduced glare and improved contrast, especially during those long, late-night sessions. A couple of pro tips to enhance your dark mode experience. First, remember that not all features of PowerPoint may appear differently in dark mode. Some add-ins or specific features might retain their default lighter colors due to their individual settings or limitations. However, the main interface, toolbars, and most editing environments will adopt the new darker color scheme, providing a consistent and eye-friendly working environment. Second, consider customizing your slide themes and backgrounds to match dark mode. While the interface of PowerPoint will be in dark mode, the default slides still start with a white background. For a fully integrated experience, you might want to explore darker slide backgrounds or themes that complement your new, sleeker interface. Enabling dark mode in PowerPoint is a simple but significant change that can transform your presentation making experience. It's not just about aesthetics, it's also about reducing eye strain and making the hours you spend in PowerPoint more comfortable. By following these steps, you've not only given your PowerPoint a modern makeover, but you've also taken a step towards a more user-friendly workspace. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully enabled dark mode in PowerPoint, joining the ranks of dark mode aficionados worldwide. Whether it's for the style or the eye care benefits, dark mode is a choice that many users are embracing across applications and devices. So, enjoy your newfound dark mode in PowerPoint. And remember, this is just one way to personalize your Microsoft Office experience to better suit your preferences and needs. Happy presenting!